We're super excited to finally be back on VS Code. After a year hiatus from developing Cosine, our cloud product, and our state-of-the-art models, we're finally back in VS Code after so much demand from our users. We're back now utilizing our CLI as a bridge to our agent, to our state-of-the-art agent, and all the capabilities and tooling that we've been able to build in to Cosine, the platform, as well as the CLI. This re-release in VS Code really unlocks so much potential for us. We're no longer limited and bound by the limitations of VS Code, and we can bring the full capabilities of the entire platform. Not only can you manage your local agent, has access to code execution, your local terminal, all the files on disk, and presents them nicely to you in VS Code, but you can also manage hundreds of remote agents in the Cosine platform, all from the CLI, and now all from your VS Code.
Hi everyone, I'm Chloe and I'm going to give you a quick demo of our VS Code extension. In this first task, we're asking Cosine to update several files across the repo. Cosine handles everything asynchronously, creating or editing the files that are needed for the task. Before accepting, you can preview exactly what's been changed in the built-in diff view, just like reviewing a teammate's pull request. So you can review, comment, or tweak Cosine's changes before committing. Every diff is tracked, so nothing is applied until you approve it. In this next task, Cosine takes on a setup job, running commands, installing dependencies, and ensuring the project builds successfully. Cosine runs shell commands, checks that everything compiles, and flags any issues along the way. Once Cosine has finished the task, you can review every change, comment or make adjustments, and approve it when you're ready.
You can find out more about it on cosine.sh or read more on docs.cosine.sh or our blog.